Hello guys, in this video I will show you a new power bank investment website script. So if anyone wants this website script or they want a complete investment website with domain and hosting, then we will provide you. First, I will show you the demo of this website, how this website script looks like. Then I will teach you how you can download this website script and install it on your cPanel. This is the register page of DScript, an interface where users can register an account. This is the login button. Since I already have an account, I will show you the dashboard of this website. I will also show you the admin panel of this website. This is the user dashboard of this website where you can see different products. You can change these products from the admin panel and also change the images and the price of these products. From here, users can invest in these products and earn commissions on them. Here in the Mine section, you can see the top deposit and withdraw buttons. The deposit button allows users to add deposit to their account. You can add your own TRX address and also add multiple payment gateways from the admin panel. The withdraw button allows users to withdraw their earnings. Users can also add their bank account for the withdrawal. They can also change passwords and other settings. Here is the download app button where users can download the app of your website. In the center, you can see the total products. All the active plans are shown here. From here, users can also recharge and withdraw. Here is the home button where you can see the different products. You can add new products from the admin panel. Now I will show you the admin panel of this website. This is how the admin panel looks like. On the dashboard, you can see the details of all the users. Here in the user area, you can see all the details of the users and the membership plan. From here, you can add new plans and modify the existing plans. Here is the deposit history where you can approve and reject users' deposits and add your own deposit address. Here is the withdraw history where you can approve and reject user withdrawals. There are also some other options. If anyone wants this website script or a complete investment website with domain and hosting, they can contact us on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is mentioned in the description. You can also contact me on Telegram. My Telegram link is also mentioned in the description. If anyone wants any other type of website like an e-commerce website, portfolio website, or investment website, then you can also contact us. Thank you for watching.